Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fundamental concept in Python programming. If double underscore name double underscore equals double underscore main double underscore. If you've seen this line of code before and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Stick around as we break it down step by step. And let's get started. So, what exactly does this statement do in Python? Well, let's start with the basics. In Python, every file can be treated as either a script or a module. When you run a Python script, Python sets a special variable called underscore underscore name underscore underscore to underscore underscore main underscore underscore for the script that is being executed. Now, when you import a module into another script, Python sets the underscore underscore name underscore underscore variable of that module to its file name without the .py extension. Essentially, it's no longer underscore underscore main underscore underscore. This brings us to the if name equals main construct. It's a way to check whether a Python file is being run as a script or being imported as a module. When Python runs a script, it sets the underscore underscore name underscore underscore variable to underscore underscore main underscore underscore. So, when we write if name equals main, we're essentially saying, if this script is being run directly by Python, then do the following. Let's illustrate this with a simple example. Here we have a Python script called example.py, and inside it, we have a function called main that we want to execute when the script is run directly. Now, when we run this script from the terminal, Python sets the name variable to main, and the main function gets executed, as you can see here. But what happens if we import example.py into another script? Here I have another script.py. Inside this file, I will import the example.py file, I just have to pass the name of the file. In this case, when Python imports example.py, it sets the name variable to example, not main. Therefore, the main function in example.py won't be executed automatically. But if I define another function in the example.py file, let's say, do something. And this function prints, doing something. Let's call this function, do something. If I run this script, it will call both of the functions. But if I run this script as a module in another script, as you can see, it calls the function do something automatically and not the main function. So, to sum it up, this statement allows us to write code that will only execute when the Python file is run directly as a script, and not when it's imported as a module into another script. Understanding this concept is crucial for writing modular and reusable Python code. It gives you control over what parts of your code are executed when, depending on how the script is being used. And there you have it. A clear understanding of if name equals main statement in Python. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials. Thanks for watching.